Good afternoon, Cyclones. I'm Alex.
And I'm Dallas, and this is your Wednesday news.
To start things off, the DECA store is having a holiday blowout. All clothing is on sale. Hoodies, t-shirts, headbands, sports bags, and lanyards. Prices are down. Get them while supplies last. Stop by the DECA store before we go on break. Students that have earned a 4.0 or above during the spring semester of 2014 are eligible to waive one final during the fall semester of 2014, pending teacher's approval. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Erickson. Tune into our Cycron for our Cycron countdown to Christmas break. Each school day until Christmas break, there will be articles hinting at a particular Christmas item. Read them and see if you can guess them. After Christmas break, a prize of a DECA gift certificate will be given to the one who can guess the most correctly. Send your answers to story ideas at pwhnews.net. And now to Dallas for the upcoming meetings this week.
Thank you, Alex. There will be a fishing club meeting tomorrow. At the meeting, there will be a talk of upcoming spring tournament, the ice tournament, donations from Cabela's, as well as lettering for fishing discussions. Girls who are interested in playing soccer this spring, there will be a meeting in Coach Herman's room, A22A, immediately after school today. Also, those of you who are interested in Ceramics 3 next semester, you will need to see Ms. Sarka today before 3:45. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching.